Hit the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest update of our videos. Greetings friends. Do you think you are a Google whiz and know of every app there is on it to make life simple and fun? Well, you could be right, but you may not have heard about the following. Today we are bringing you a 13 secret Google function that can instant make your life happier and easy. So let's explore it. Hey guys, here are the 13 secret Google functions that make your life happier and easy. So first one is Tic-Tac-Toe. If you're feeling bored, simply type Tic-Tac-Toe on Google. This cool mind game will appear and can help a board with system if you please. Second one, say hello to Allo. Allo is a Google chat app that not only tells you have an awesome doing as a sticker fun with your Google, but also help you search Google for anything you need with it, a handy assistant. Third one, a really handy search. If you are on Android smartphone and want to know something that's on your screen, just press and hold the Google will search some stuff about it for you. Fourth one, need an alarm. Just type timer in Google search and set the timer or stopwatch for the duration you want it to. Fifth one, translate Pesky text. With Google Translate app, you can translate text file or go hand search. Speak the text, even use your camera to translate the text from picture and sign. Sixth one, get all the mails at Gmail. Gmail can help you gather all the emails from different email accounts. You can get help from that. Seventh one, go brighter. Need to set reminders and write note in a colorful way. Try this. Eighth one, get the best font. That is, have the word and need the text. Try the Google font to get the best script of your project. Ninth one, beauty all around. You can upload photo to Google Maps, give you a peek into the world around. 10th one, a worm in your head. So you need to know what song is playing. Google Sound Search will tell you that what is going to playing. 11th one, pick Google Brain. Think with Google help you keep with the track with the latest search, ongoing customer trend and the newest insights in the market. 12th one, art lover. You can use the Google Art project to view the famous art content for inspiration without leaving your workstation. 13th one, an eye in the sky. Google Sky lets you see the wonder of the outer space. So guys, these are the Google 13 search instant that make your life happier and easy.